Namaste everyone. Today you will learn to use the VLOOKUP formula in reverse order also. As you know by the definition of VLOOKUP, it is only meant for tracking the values for the leftmost column only. Let us say the leftmost column is A, then VLOOKUP will track the values which are in front of these rows respectively. And suppose here I am in this index, this D, and it will track the values in front of these names here in E and F cells respectively, but it will never look the back. But today, with the help of this new choose formula which is written in this yellow ribbon, we can make it work in reverse order. So let's check it out. First of all, name. So these are the names whose information is given here in this table 1. So let me first of all make a small drop down list. Now you can make this drop down list either by data tab and go to data validation, but also you can use a shortcut key called Alt A V V, Alt A V and V again. So you got the pop-up list source, and in this source you will keep this column. Okay, so there you got the drop down icon. So you got all the names. Fine. Now you can see before explaining the VLOOKUP in reverse order, you can see these choose formula. First of all, understand the syntax. It will provide the index number value 1 and value 2. On the basis of this index number, it will track the respective value. Let us choose an example. Okay, equal to choose. Okay, index number. Let me type index number 2. Okay, and value 1, value 2. Let me type some of the values. Let us say A, comma, value 2, B, then value 3, C. Okay, now first value is A, second value is B, third value is C. What the formula this execute on the basis of index number, it will give me the output B, because index number for B here is 2. It makes us to choose the particular value on the basis of this index. So let me enter. So you got B answer. Now suppose let us check for the value here 3. The answer must be C. So that's it. And similarly again for 1, the first value here is A. There you go. Now you can see the choose formula helps us to track the value given in this syntax on the basis of index number. Now you can just imagine if I utilize the choose formula here. Understand the situation clearly. Now you can see I want this D column should be first, but it is on the 4th position here in this table. I want it to be first, then second for age, third for salary, and then 4th for bonus. So I will utilize choose formula here. Let me explain you. Equal to choose index number. I will write the curly braces, here curly braces 1, 2, 3 and 4. Close the curly braces. Now on the basis of these curly braces, the values, the positions of these columns will be tracked. How? See, value 1, instead of value 1 here, let me select this one. Okay, then for value 2, secondly I will select age, then I will select salary, and then comma, 4th will be this bonus. Close the bracket. Now first of all you can just select this and you can Press F9. Now here you can see one virtual table is being created. You can see name, age, salary and bonus. Name is in first index, age becomes second, salary becomes third and bonus becomes fourth. You can see their positions. And there you get a virtual table. Then first name Ajay. Okay, it is in first position. 25 age, this one is in second position. Its salary 27,000, which is here. Bonus 10%, which is here. Okay, similarly for other names you can see. So this virtual table is being created on the basis of this choose formula. So this virtual table concept we will utilize in this VLOOKUP, so that the name will be in first index, age 2, salary 3, bonus 4. Now let me erase this. Okay. Now type the VLOOKUP formula. VLOOKUP, lookup value. This one is the lookup value. We have to fix it. I will press this one. And then table array. Now in this table array, this is not the exact table array. I want a virtual table in which first index should be name. That means the index should always start from name and so on. So now I will type here choose formula. Choose curly braces 1, 2, 3 and 4. Close the braces. Comma. Value 1. This will be the value 1 because I want this should be first. And then press F4. Lock it. Then value 2. Age will be second. F4. Lock it. And then salary. And last bonus. F4. Okay, fine. Close it. Now you can just select this, press F9 to check its value. Now you can see a virtual table is being created here on the basis of their respective indexes. Choose formula will choose 1, 2, 3 and 4 and so on. Fine. Now let's get back, Control Z. Now we come back to the VLOOKUP syntax again. We have selected table array, comma, column index number. For age, the column index number in this virtual table which we have created just now, it is 2. Now I will press row here to make it dynamic, as we have been doing in the last videos also. So what is the value of row? Let me check. Select, press F9. It is 3. Row must be age must be in second, so I will subtract 1 from here. Control Z. So you can write -1 and last 0 for exact match. So this formula is ready for execution and we will get the result. Enter. So the age of Vijay is 28. We make it look back in the reverse order. You can see here with the help of this. Now if you drag it with the help of filler handle, you will get your answer. So here it is. So the salary of Vijay here, which is 26,500 and bonus is 12.0. You can format this in the form of accounting table. Here, go to this $sign, more accounting formats. I will select this rupee symbol, which is here. Sanskrit. Okay. So if you want to reduce the decimals and bring it in the same position, you can reduce from here. Decrease decimals. Okay. Now 12%. If you want in percentage form, you can go to here custom formatting. So this is called as custom formatting. Go to customs, select this value, come here, backslash and percentage symbol, then you will get your answer in the form of this. Now if you want to adjust it, you can adjust. Now you can see there you got the information of all the people that you wanted. Okay, here it is 6%, and here the answer is written 6.4% in this table. Now if you want to make it 6.4 exactly, what you do, you increase the decimal from here. You can see the option in behind this custom ribbon. Okay, there you get your answer. Now whatever you select from the drop down, you will get your answer. I hope you understood how we can make this VLOOKUP to look the values which is behind the desired table. Okay, so if you don't understood, watch the video again and let me know your comments in the comment box. Thank you.